Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorial. In this episode, we'll talk about your price list and how to set up a SingleDive and packages. To set up your price list, you need to go to Financial and Price List. Then you need to select the default price list. The first time that you go here in your official Dive Center account, you will only see a SingleDive. So you will only see this item, SingleDive, and the price will be 0. Depending on your business model, you can decide to use this item, SingleDive, or you can create other kind of items. SingleDive is a price list item that defines the cost of one dive. You can write the price here, you can add VAT, and you can decide if the VAT is included in the price that you wrote here or if it needs to be calculated on top. You can also decide to add packages. As you can see here, I've already added packages by using this button. For example, for 2 dives, the cost of each dive would be 45. You can type the cost of the unit price in the package here, or you can type the cost of the package here. So 2 dives would be 90 euros. The cost of 1 dive in the package would be 45 euros. I also created another package with 4 dives. The cost of each dive in the package would be 40 euros and the cost of the package would be 160. We can create another package together by clicking on Add Package. And in this case I choose 5. As I showed you before, you can write a price for the whole package here, or the cost of 1 unit, so 1 dive, in the package of 5. So in this case I will write 38 euros and Geek Divers will automatically calculate 190 euros. Don't forget to click on Update to update the price list item and the packages. Thank you for watching.